Good morning, or good afternoon, or good evening, or good night, depending on your time zone. Today, I'm going to talk about birds. Nnono. Bird in Ukwani is nnono. I mean bird. Bird. Owl. Ozuguzugu. Eagle. Ugo. Dove. Ndulie. Hawk. Oko. Vulture. Udene. Parrot. Okwe. Pangolin. Akambo. Bat. Also, although bats might not be classified as bird, but let's just put it in this group. Bat also. Fowl. Okoko. Hen. Neku. Cock. Okpa. Pigeon. Nkenu. Duck. Odoguma. Turkey. Torotoro. These are some birds and their names in Ukwani language. Thank you for listening. Please don't forget to subscribe, share, like, and comment. Till I come again. Thank you for listening. Bye.